In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slider in Webflow. First, open your Webflow account in your browser. From your workspace home, head to the dashboard, then open the project you want to work on by selecting Open in Webflow. That launches the Designer, where we'll build and style everything you see on the page. With the Designer open, click on the canvas to make sure it's active, then open the Add panel. In the Add panel's search field, type Slider. You'll see the slider component appear. Click it, then place it on your page where you want the slideshow to live. If you have a section or container ready, drop it inside for better structure and responsive control. Once the slider is on the canvas, give it a class name so you can style it consistently. Click the selector field at the top of the Style panel, type your class name, and press Enter. This makes it easy to adjust spacing, width, and behavior across breakpoints later on. Next, select the slider on the canvas and open the settings using the gear icon. In the Settings panel, you can control how the slider behaves. Here, you can toggle arrows and dot navigation, set autoplay, adjust the animation type and duration, and choose whether slides loop. A good starting point is to enable arrows and dots so users have multiple ways to navigate. Keep autoplay speeds readable. 3 to 5 seconds per slide is usually comfortable. To add content, expand a slide in the Navigator, or click directly on a slide in the canvas. You can drop in images, headings, and buttons inside each slide. If you're using images, make sure they're optimized and set appropriate fit settings so they scale well. Duplicate slides to keep consistent structure, then vary the content for each one. If you want subtle motion, open the Interactions panel. You can add a simple fade-in for elements inside each slide as they come into view. Keep interactions lightweight, so performance remains smooth, especially on mobile devices. When you're ready to refine the look, switch to the Style panel. Adjust padding and alignment for the slider, mask, and slide elements. Style the arrow and dot navigation so they match your brand. Size them for touch, increase contrast for accessibility, and check spacing across breakpoints. Finally, preview the page and cycle through the slides to confirm timing, readability, and responsiveness. When everything feels right, publish your site and review it on a phone and a tablet to be sure